Hi everyone, this is my kawaii axolotl cake. So I have actually never made an axolotl cake before, so I kind of just based it off of one of my drawings that I made to try and make the cutest axolotl cake I could make. And I decided to do a half round cake. So I did one 9-inch round cake, dark chocolate cake, and I cut it in half, and then I stacked it on top of the other layer, filling it with a pink vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. And then what I did was I flipped it up so the flat side was sitting on the cake board, and then I covered the entire cake with a layer of the pink Swiss meringue buttercream. So I try to get it as smooth as possible for the first layer, and then I chill that for about 10 minutes in the freezer, and then I do a second coat on top of that to make it as smooth as possible. I also baked up 2 or 3 cupcakes on the side, and I mixed the cupcakes up in a bowl with some Swiss meringue buttercream and mashed it all together so I could form this cake tail, which I know it looks a little bit like a turd right now, but just wait because I'm going to frost it with some buttercream. The thing about cakes is it's always a work in progress. As I was making this cake, I was freaking out a bit because I was like, oh my gosh, this tail looks so gross. But as I was frosting it and smoothing it, eventually, as you'll see, it does turn into an axolotl tail. So I was very happy about that. So smooth it out as best you can. You want to then make these little fondant arms, and then I made fondant ears with toothpick skewers, and then I used a multi-opening tip to make sort of the furry, darker pink buttercream, I guess, ears. I should probably look up what those are called. And I made fondant for the face. And I think it turned out really cute. The birthday girl was super excited. Let me know what you think about this kawaii axolotl cake. Let me know in the comments any other cakes you think would be really cute for me to make. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.